In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Nintendo Switch to Discord. If you want to share your Nintendo Switch gameplay with your friends on Discord, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Streaming your gameplay lets everyone in your voice channel watch along in real time, making it a great way to play together, show off your progress, or simply hang out while gaming. Follow along carefully, and you'll have your stream up and running in just a few minutes. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the search bar, search for Nintendo Switch, and open the official Nintendo website from the search results. This helps ensure you're viewing the correct Nintendo page before continuing with the streaming process. Next, open another browser tab and search for the Discord website. Once you reach the official Discord site, sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main Discord interface, where all of your servers and conversations are available. Now, click on the server where you want to stream your gameplay. The server icons are displayed along the left side of the Discord window. Select the server that contains the voice channel where you want to share your screen. Before you can begin streaming, make sure you've joined a voice channel within that server. Once you're connected to the voice channel, look for the Share Your Screen button. It's represented by a small monitor icon near the call controls. Click this button to open the screen sharing menu. Discord will display the available windows and tabs that you can share with everyone in the call. From the list of available options, select the Nintendo Switch tab or window if it appears. Carefully confirm that you've chosen the correct source, so viewers will see the content you intend to stream. After selecting it, click the Share button to begin broadcasting your gameplay to everyone in the voice channel. If you prefer, Discord also provides an application option when selecting what to share. This allows you to stream a specific application window instead of an individual browser tab. Choose whichever option best matches the way your Nintendo Switch content is being displayed on your computer. Before you start playing, you can also enable your microphone if you want to talk with your friends while streaming. This allows everyone watching your gameplay to hear your voice and makes the experience much more interactive. That's all there is to it. Your Nintendo Switch gameplay should now be streaming in Discord, allowing your friends to watch along while you play. Just keep your stream running and enjoy spending time together in your voice channel. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,